Jasper is an AI writing tool. This is their control panel. We can see we get an affiliate link here and $5,600 of unpaid earnings, and the money that has been paid out every single month for over a year now runs between $2,800 and between $2,000 and $3,000. You can see here. So we can get a significant amount of money, and I'm going to show you here in a minute how you can actually use this times 10 and times 100 and use different affiliate programs to make money. But before I get too far here, if you like content like this, go ahead and give me a yes in the comments. You can do it right now, pause the video, you can come back, but just give me a yes in the comments so that I know that this is the type of content that you like. And if you have any questions, of course, you can drop those down there as well. And we do have live classes at fortunebots.com every Tuesday and every Thursday. This week we add in Mondays. Go here to fortunebots.com and enter your email address, and you can jump into the live classes where we teach all of this and more step by step and break it down for you. So let's look at this. What is this? Well, we have a bot running here and we need to power up a TikTok video. So the format looks something like this. We have our bot here in the background. It generates traffic. We're going to send that to a TikTok video, and then people are going to go from the TikTok video and they're going to join the Jasper program through our affiliate link, and then we get paid. So first of all, what do we need? We need a TikTok video. So let's go here. I've just pulled up one. I searched for this. Let's pretend I'm going to choose this video right here. I did not make this particular video. Obviously, we could make videos. I'm making videos right now. We could make a TikTok video, and I'm showing you the purpose here because you can do this with any program. Again, I'm going to show you a list here in a minute if you can use this same concept, this framework, and replicate it across all kinds of different affiliate platforms. But let's say you have a video that you either one, paid for, or two, made yourself, or somehow got created a video. And in this video, you're going to place your affiliate link. And so we would take the link of this video here, this Jasper video. So the video is going to have your affiliate link in it here somewhere. And at the end, so right here, this person has their link to like a YouTube channel. Right here at the end, you would put your link to your Jasper affiliate, and you'd probably use a redirect. We cover that in the fortunebots.com classes. I'm not going to go into that on this video, but you'd put it in a simple redirect domain here to make it easy for the user. And then you could even drop a link in the actual comment section here, and you can put a link in your bio and all that jazz. We have our TikTok link. Now we need to put it in the bot. So we have our TikTok video, and now we go to the bot for traffic. And our TikTok video, remember, has our Jasper affiliate link in it. And I actually, in the Fortune Bots classes, we're going to even be covering, how to edit the videos and that sort of stuff. And there's even a marketplace where we'll have done for you, where you can actually just pick up some videos and we'll make them for you. But that aside, the way that we do this is I've got a project running here. You can see it's sending away. I'm going to stop it here and let's edit this project and get set up. So I'm just going to open up the project here and go to submission content. There is obviously a lot of settings and stuff. Again, in the classes, I break all of that down for you here. Right now, we're just going to go to the message, and I'm going to put in a message here relevant to what we're doing. And I'm just going with something super short. Like, have you seen this crazy AI tool? It's insane. And then I put the link to the video, right? Because all we're doing is, remember, we are just trying to get traffic to the TikTok video itself. And then the point of the TikTok video is it's going to wind up directing them to the affiliate link. So this allows us to pre-frame the users so that they think about it. This is called like a bridge, basically. And so once we have that done, we can go ahead and hit start and send messages. And I'm actually have a list of contact forms loaded in here. Normally you'd have to go straight, but in the marketplace as well, which I'll put the link in the description. We have where you can get the lists of contact forms already ready to go, millions of them, so that you can just get running really fast like this. So this bot is going to take just a minute to set up. And while this is just finishing setting up, I do want to mention that, a lot of people have told me that they don't know what to do. They don't know where to get started. And they're kind of afraid to get started, or they're overwhelmed, because they're afraid that this is going to cost a bunch of money. And the truth is that what's going to happen is we're going to actually make a bunch of money, as you can see here. So it's not going to cost money. It's going to make money. And, it's not really going to take any time, because it's going to take a little bit of effort and a little bit of time. Obviously, you need to go through the Fortune Bots classes and learn the setup. But basically what's going to happen is the bot here is going to do all of the work, as we're going to see right now as it starts cranking away. It's currently sent 48,000 messages. So you can see the number going up here. So while we're talking, what it's doing is it's going out to websites, filling in their contact form and putting in that message with our link to our TikTok video. So we can see it's already dumped in close to a dozen contact forms that has sent while we were talking. And as it gets going here, it's going to go even faster. Of course, I let this run while I sleep. I let this run while I go eat supper. In fact, it is movie night at my house, and I'm going to go watch a movie here in a little while, and this is just going to run and do work for me. And so that's why it doesn't take any time, because the bots are going to do all the work for you. If you've ever done manual work, which you probably do in your day-to-day job right now, I know I have before, then you know if you can find a way to automate that, then I can... this is 1,000x faster than me doing it by hand. In fact, I figured it out. And in a day, this bot can do the same amount of work that it takes me 38 weeks to do. And the thing about it is like, it's not even going to take me the day to do it. The bot's going to do it while I do other stuff. So it's not really even taking the day. It's just not really taking hardly any time at all. And, you don't have to be an expert to run this. It's really easy to set up. It has some steps, as you saw, but that's why we have the classes, for me to break it down and make it super simple. And then there's even replays, so you can watch it again if you want. Right, so now we have our bot sending traffic to our TikTok video. People go and watch the TikTok video, and then they say, oh, Jasper's awesome. Let's click on the affiliate link. And when they click on the affiliate link, they come over here and they go in and they sign up. And I can't go in here to referrals and show you the referrals because it has people's actual email addresses. But under referrals, you could see the number of people that have signed up. And we can see here on our count that we have 6,100 referrals and 430 of them have signed up as actual customers. And so this is just going to run. And it's just going to constantly go out there and run, send more and more traffic to a TikTok video. And the TikTok video is going to send people to Jasper. And at the same time, what you're doing, which is really a great bonus, is because we are sending traffic to TikTok, TikTok is going to say, oh, this video is getting traffic outside of it. I mean, what TikTok wants, obviously, is views. It wants people to view the videos. And so when you send them traffic, it supercharges the user metrics. And by user metrics, what I'm talking about is as you put comments in here, and as people like them, and as people watch the video, the more they watch it and that sort of stuff, TikTok looks at all that to see how popular the video is. If no one comments and people skip the video halfway through and no one ever watches it, then they stop showing the video. But if people are watching the video and people are commenting and that sort of stuff, then they say, oh, this is a great video. And so not only do you get the views that you generate with the bot, TikTok then begins to show your video to other people because they think it's relevant. So then now you're getting organic traffic from TikTok that's feeding into it as well, that are also going to your affiliate link, and you're getting paid from TikTok promoting your video and from the bot promoting your video. And so you don't even have to sign up with Jasper, for example. If you wanted to, you could go to the Fortune Bots classes and sign up, and then you can sell this, right? You can become an affiliate of the Fortune Bots classes. We'll give you swipe files, so the actual emails that you're going to send, because you can send them to a landing page like this. So right now we're sending everything to Jasper affiliate, and then we're done. A better way to do it is to send everybody to a landing page like this, capture their email address, and then you can market to them in your back-end system, which again, we'll cover this in the Fortune Bots classes, but in fact, this coming week. And so you market to them and you say, okay, here, Fortune Bots is awesome. Go check it out. And they go and buy. And then you say, okay, Jasper AI writing tool is awesome. And then you send them your affiliate link and they go buy. And then you go to the website I've been talking about, which is scarytoolbots.com. And you pop in an email address here and you get to this list. Now, this is a list of affiliate tools. And in this list of tools, you can see all these different ones that you can promote. And so as you go across the bottom, there's courses that you can promote and checklists. There's side hustles that you can promote. There is writing, image, video. You can see Jasper's here on the list. And you can promote all these and make money off of all of them. So you sign up for all these and you send them emails that you've captured when you built this lander that we taught you how to build in the Fortune Bot classes. And then you just keep marketing them over and over and over and over every single day. So does this make sense? If we want to review it, what we're doing is we're using a bot to send traffic to TikTok videos, right? So we have our bot here sending traffic to our TikTok video here. And then our TikTok video is sending people to either our affiliate or our actual landing page and capturing those emails. And then we are able to market to them constantly and get paid. And then on top of that, the TikTok videos are going to bring in organic traffic. So we get traffic from TikTok, and we are able to utilize and leverage the course where we learned how to do everything. And that made us able to have the knowledge. And then we're using the bot, so we don't have to spend any time. And at the end of the day, we're actually making money with the affiliate programs, from the courses, from everything in the scarytoolbots.com checklist. We're making money from all of that. Obviously, everybody needs money, and we all know that we have to pay the bills. But more than that, what I want for you is to be able to have the money to do what you want to do and have the time to do what you want to do, to break free from your job and to be able to spend time with your family, go to the beach in the summertime, go skiing in the wintertime, whatever it is that you want to do, whatever you want to do in 2023 and accomplish and beyond. Those are the things that this helps you to do, because it gives you more time, it gives you more money, and you don't have to be an expert, because you'll become the expert when you go to fortunebots.com and you work through the live classes. And just right quick, I want to show you one more thing. My PayPal account, this is one of multiple PayPal accounts that I have. I'm just refreshing it here so you can see it load. And I have obviously credit card processing accounts and checks and PayPal accounts and that sort of stuff. But in this PayPal account, you can see the last 7 days has been $2,300. And then the last 30 days has been $11,600. And that's just one thing that I have going on. So obviously the method you see today is great, and you can make money with it, and you can utilize all these different tools. But there's even more that I'm going to teach you and Chase and everyone else in the fortunebots.com classes that go beyond this. And the opportunities really are endless. I mean, you won't even be able to take advantage of all the opportunities that are out there, which is really a great spot to be in. So fortunebots.com, enter your email address, and I will see you in the next live classes. And until then, happy money making.